Students, exercise 2.6, 11th problem. If S1, S2, S3, etc. Sm are the sums of n terms of m APs whose first terms are 1, 2, 3, etc. m and whose common differences are 1, 3, 5, etc. 2m minus 1 respectively, then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus etc. Sm equal to 1 by 2 into mn into mn plus 1. We want to prove this. For here in this question given S1, S2, S3 etc. etc. each terms, it is a n terms of m APs. M terms of m APs. That is this is for first AP, second AP, third AP. It is a mth AP. The first term of a first AP is, the first term is considered as A, that is 1. Then for a first term common difference is 1. The second AP for their first term is 2, common difference is 3. So like this we have to proceed. Then we have to add S1, S2, S3 up to Sm. Then we have to check, are you getting this right hand side, that is 1 by 2 mn into mn plus 1. For this 11th question, what are the things given? Just take and write. A equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. m, D equal to 1, 3, 5 etc. 2m minus 1 respectively. For it is the first AP A, D. Second AP A value, D value. Third AP A value, D value. It is a mth AP A value, D value. Now the first AP, for the first AP A equal to 1, D equal to 1. So S1 equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. N by 2 into 2 into A is 1. So 2 plus n minus 1 into D value is 1. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So now you got to simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus n. N by 2 into 1 plus n. Next second AP A equal to 2, D equal to 3. So S2 equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. You got to substitute in the formula. Then n by 2 into 2 2s are 4. This 3 take inside, 3n minus 3. Next n by 2 into, for you got to simplify, 3 minus 4 is 1, 1 plus 3n. Next mth AP, m equal to A equal to m, D equal to 2m minus 1. So that is now Sm, for Sm equal to n by 2 into 2 into m plus n minus 1 into 2m minus 1. So n by 2 into 2m, for it is, for you have to make multiple these two, 2 into mn, for you have to multiple with this. Then minus 1 into n minus n, minus 1 into 2m minus 2m, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Then cancelling is possible, you may cancel, plus 2m minus 2m. Then after cancelling we have n by 2 into 2mn minus n plus 1. So that is n by 2 into, for it is n is common, take outside, that is 2m minus n into n plus 1. Now for S, therefore S1 plus S2 plus etc. plus Sm we want to find. So that is, for what are the things we found, just you have to substitute. S1 is n by 2 into 1 plus n, S2 is n by 2 into 1 plus 3n etc. Sm n by 2 into 2m minus 1 into n plus 1. So that is n by 2 into 1 plus, remove the bracket. So that is n by 2 commonly take outside, that is 1 plus n, 1 plus 3n, here 2m minus 1 into n plus 1. Compare with the previous step, you have to find n by 2 into, you have to make a group n plus 3n plus 5n etc. plus 2m minus 1 into n. Then 1 you have to make a, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to m times is that, you make a 2 group. For this first group n is common, take outside, that is for here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 2m minus 1. For here it is in a m times. So n by 2 into n into, for their value is, for here it is n is outside is there, for their value is m square plus m. Listen students, for it is n is commonly take outside, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. 2m minus 1. For this 1 plus 1 plus 1 we make a group. So that is for n into, for instead of this we have to use this formula 1 plus 3 plus 5 etc. plus 2n minus 1, that is equal to n square. This is a formula. So here 2m minus 1, so this is m square. For 1 plus 1 plus 1 m times is there, so their value is m. So n by 2 into, for m is common, take outside, that is nm plus 1. So that is 1 by 2 into that n, take for these to make multiple, that is n into m, nm plus 1. So that is equal to RHS. 12th problem. Find the sum a minus b by a plus b plus 3a minus 2b by a plus b plus 5a minus 3b by a plus b plus etc. to 12 terms. For this is the given question. It is the first term, it is second term, third term, etc. 12 terms is there. 12 terms. For in this series 12 terms are there. So that is first term a equal to a minus b by a plus b. Common difference for t2 minus t1. So that is 3a minus 2b by a plus b minus a minus b by a plus b. So that is you have to simplify this. For these two have a common denominator. So 3a minus 2b minus a plus b. So minus a, minus into minus, plus b by a plus b. So that is 3a minus a is 2a minus 2b plus b, that is minus b by a plus b. So it is a d. D equal to, therefore d equal to n equal to 12. How you identify n equal to 12? In the question itself given 12 terms. So now you write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For n value is 12. 12 by 2 into 2 into a value a minus b by a plus b plus 12 minus 1 into 2a minus b. D value we found 2a minus b by a plus b. So now here outside cancelling is possible. You may cancel 1 time 6 times. So 6 into the 2 take inside. The 2 take inside, that is 2 into a, 2a minus 2b by a plus b plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 2a minus b by a plus b. Now denominators are same. So you have to add the numerator, that is 2a minus 2b plus 11 is outside, commonly is there. So 11 into 2, 11 into 2, 22. 22a minus 11b whole divided by a plus b. So now 6 into, you have to make add for these two, that is 24a. For it is minus 11 minus 2 minus 13b by a plus b. So that is these two you have to add, these two you have to add by a plus b. That is equal to 6 into 24a minus 13b by a plus b.